This is an honest review of this Bluetooth speaker, and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know if you're thinking about buying this. This Bluetooth speaker connects very easily to your phone, laptop. It easily connects to devices from up to 66 feet away with no difficulty. To turn it on, all you have to do is press the power button. You can also connect through aux, DC, or TF card. I love that this speaker is wireless, making it truly perfect for on the go, for travel. You can take it to the beach, to parties. The speaker is actually waterproof. It's engineered to withstand bumps, drops. It's so much more durable than other ones that I've seen. And this is what it sounds like. I love how high quality the sound is. It's very easy to pause it, make it louder, quieter. I love the different color changing themes. I think this would be a great gift, and I would definitely recommend it.